hold on to your tail feathers because the famous rubber duck race is back with big prizes on the line. It's all to support 2 local North Texas area nonprofit organizations, and you're invited to join in on the fun. And here to tell us more about the festival and share how you can support is Jenny Kruger, the CEO of Boys and Girls Club of Northeast Texas, along with Mary Walker, the Executive Director of Grace Clinic, Rockwall County. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
So glad to have you guys here. You brought your ducks with you. You're ready to go. Love it. Jenny, I'm going to start with you. For someone hearing about this for the first time, how does the rubber duck regatta kind of work, actually?
Well, it's super quacky.
It is indeed. I love it.
It's a really fun event. For just $10, you can adopt a rubber duck of your own online at our website. And it's a chance to win a 2025 Jeep Wrangler.
Nice!
So we host the, you do not have to be present to win, but we host the event at the Rockwall Harbor, which is a beautiful area. You can come visit Rockwall, and the fountain has 3 tiers. And we imagine dumping thousands of ducks into this 3-tiered fountain. And we have an MC, Kelly Raspberry from the Kid Craddock Show, that'll be out there. She'll count us down. The ducks start to race. You can cheer your duck on. And if your duck crosses the finish line first, you win the Jeep.
You win the Jeep.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I want to go back because we just saw the Jeep. It was stunning. It was blue. It was gorgeous. It's a Wrangler. Tell me more about it. You said it's 2025?
Yeah. Mary's got all the deets on the Jeep.
It is a beautiful 2025 4-door Wrangler Sport. As you can see on the screen, it has been, we have a wonderful partner, Rockwall Dodge, and so they help us get this beautiful Jeep. And then we have another wonderful partner, Platinum Off-Road, and they help us modify this Jeep.
Ooh, so you get to put the tires on it and do all the things.
So it's got a lift, it's got shocks, it's got, you know, all the wheels and tires. It's high off the ground now for sure.
Listen, as a Jeep girly myself, I'm like enticed. I want more. I'm like, where do I put my duck? I need to get involved. Okay, but this is so much fun, but it's also for a good cause. Tell me a little bit about the organizations that this event supports.
So I'm with the Boys and Girls Club of Northeast Texas. And we provide a safe place for youth to be during out of school time, after school, during the summer, spring break programs, different things like that. Our ultimate goal is just inspire the next generation of youth and teens to reach their full potential. We know that club kids are more successful academically, they live healthier lifestyles, and they have stronger character and citizenship. So I think North Texas needs more club kids.
Yes, indeed. We do need more club kids. Okay, so besides the race, what can families expect when they pop out to this festival?
It benefits both of our organizations.
Okay, wait, tell me a little bit about your organization.
Sorry,
I skipped right over it. She's like, wait, let's get in the good causes.
You are totally fine. So I am the Executive Director of the Rockwall Grace Clinic, and we are a charitable organization that charitably subsidizes medical care, chronic disease management, cancer screenings, mental health needs that families that are struggling to make ends meet, they can come to us and we can help them get that at an extremely affordable way. Yes.
Wow. I mean, my goodness.
And so truly every duck that you adopt at this event is helping area kids and families be able to.
Adults too, my goodness.
Yes.
Okay, so pretty much everyone is involved. It's all inclusive. I love that. Tell me, now let me get to it. Besides the race, what else is going on at the festival?
It is truly a fun fall festival all day long. It kicks off at 10 a.m. and we end up running until 6 p.m. when the duck race starts. What we have are food trucks and a huge kids zone, as you can see on the screen. There's a mechanical bull, there's slides, there's face painting, there's inflatables, there's so many fun things.
There's a Jeep show.
Yes.
I'll be there.
For the Jeep fans, there's a whole Jeep area, a Jeep zone that has carnival games, tailgate experience, all types of fun things for them to do.
So good. This is going to be a fabulous event for a very good cause. Thank you so much for being here. Like they said, it's all happening Saturday, October 11th at the Harbor in Rockwall from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The duck race starts at 6 p.m., so make sure you get out there so your duck can crisscross the finish line. Good Lord. Also, they are giving a discount code for GMT viewers to receive 10% off any of their duck sales. Just scan the QR code on your screen, use the promo code GMT, and you can learn so much more by visiting rockwallduckrace.org.